Hey, hi, good morning. Welcome to Wednesday, Workshop Wednesday, status report for March 2020. Holy buckets, it's flying by fast. Calm before the storm, in two ways. It's gonna be a really busy day here at the gardens, which is kind of par for the course. Let's see. Since our last Workshop Wednesday status report, I did take a little trip, got out to Montana. Yay! That was awesome. Michelle and I got away for a little bit and enjoyed some of the mountains, so we didn't get quite as many projects done. But there is a whole list coming up. We're about 2 months away from the first wedding here at the gardens. As you can see, the snow is starting to go. I'm sure we're gonna have one or two more little dumpings before we call winter over, but that's okay. Let's see, something that did happen is the Jaguar crew was here, and I mentioned it in the last status report, they were going to be doing the fiber optics line, and so they did get that in. I am going to drop a couple videos from the heroic day that they were here. It was one of those snowstorm days, but they shot a fiber optics line from way up the road all the way down to the corner where we were working on. See if I can get a little bit of that down into the corner over there. Oh my, look at that sun. Corner over there where we put the fence in, and then they brought it all the way along the back side over there. There's the dressing room. Isn't that pretty in the morning? All right, I'm gonna drop that video in. Let's go over to the workshop real quick and I'll show you a few things that are going on there. That way.
I'll go check right now.
Yeah, see what I mean? That was quite the heroic day of doing some boring, underground boring, and shooting in some fiber optics cable. Anyways, here over in front of the shop, I'm just gonna spin around here. This is a little bit of the white pine we've been milling. That's gonna be going on. Actually, one of the things that we're working on today, we are going to be putting that on the timber frame. So the timber frame is going to start to look a little different. We will be putting the roof on the timber frame. Doggone beautiful morning here at the gardens. All right, let's take a peek inside the workshop. There's always fun projects at the workshop. Harvested a whole bunch of these branches, so at some point you're gonna see those in a video. All right, here we are in the workshop. Woo! Check that out. There's not one single garden table in here. They've all been refinished and put in storage for the winter. Yes, yes, yes. Which just means we can start on other projects. Yay. First thing I wanna show you, and I don't know if I mentioned this one in the last Workshop Wednesday. It's on its side right now because I'm gonna add one more board to it. This right here is the stone dressing table. Yeah, you can see underneath it's really heavy, but we're gonna be setting a whole bunch, I can't even lift it, a whole bunch of stones on there and banging them I'll show you that in a bit because we're going to be working on the back of the dressing room. But check out these. Is that amazing? Right there. These are, and can you ask for any more pretty sun on there? These right here are the 20-foot, they're actually 22-foot white pine 3x5s are going to go on the timber frame. So Ben's coming in today. We're going to be working on those. We're going to get them laid out. We're going to get them notched so they go on to the end of the rafters. And then there's going to be one little teeny weeny little special surprise. Yeah, you guys haven't ever seen that before because it's been covered with stuff. Brian is going to join us late this afternoon, and we're starting on a special little project with Brian. So that's going to be kind of cool. You'll want to watch all the way to the end and get a little taste of that. All right, so I don't even know what's going to happen first, but probably in another half an hour, all things are going to break loose, and we're going to have a super fun day here at the gardens and here in the workshop. Follow along. Ready to head in. All right, I told you it was going to be a busy day. Working on the back side of the dressing suite. Temperatures are finally warm enough to do another layer of insulation, so they are spray foaming up in the attic. So see up there, we cut a little bit of a hole, kind of a big hole. They'll get the spray foam in there, then they're gonna do some bats and some more stuff, and then once that's done, we'll cover that hole back up, and then I can start in on putting the back on. And that's what that stone dressing table was for, because I think there's already a video out there, maybe you already know this. I'm gonna carve all the stone, or make all the building block stone for the back of the building out of granite cut off boulders. So because it's just what we're gonna do. So anyways, that's gonna start up pretty quick here. They're gonna get that insulation done. Thanks Matt, thanks Randy. Yeah, a couple more deliveries, a couple more things for the back dressing room going on. Lunchtime here. You saw a little bit of footage of either, I don't know who I'm going to put in the video, but it'll be Ben or it'll be me on the other side working on the timber frame here. Looking pretty sweet. Yeah, got them all lined up. All right, having a good Wednesday. I said it was going to be busy. Didn't believe me, did you? Just like that. You love that. You know you love it. All right, well, we're wrapping up. What's that?
The Glen Pro?
That's the, you guys all laugh. All right, hey, we're wrapping up Workshop Wednesday status report. Got a lot done up on the timber frame. They did some insulation today. I don't know what else. A whole bunch happened in the office today. The cute little cute. That's Brian, the cute part, not us. The fun little surprise at the end of the day is we're starting in on another little project. Mr. Brian Halverson, you might have seen him on some of the In the Shop videos, but we're doing another little side project with him, so you'll have to look for that. Some good little music, so that's Workshop Wednesday for March. It's March, isn't it?
Yes.
I think so. March 2020.